Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make this camera flicker type inside CapCut PC. You can also try these steps in normal CapCut for the mobile version. So let's see what are the outcomes. You can make this type of flicker with the sound effect. Let me tell you how to make them. First of all, add your clips inside here. Add this clip and let's add another one. For example, I've added a script. Now you can do what is simply go to here, crop option, and crop it in 1:1 because this ratio is the best ratio for zoom in and out. You can just change it from here. So you can now do what is add a white PNG. If you don't have it, just go to the library and add a white PNG from here. You can see that it's here, but I have it, so I'll add this one. Now what you are going to do is make sure to set the size of it so that it matches the whole screen. Next go to mask, add mask and go to film share. Now you're gonna make sure that it doesn't touch the edge of the screen and leave some space for the other one. Now copy and paste this. Now just move this screen to the down part. You can also change the size of the film strip according to you, whatever you want. Add as much as you like or just add two of them. That works for me. Next you can just simply see how many frames that we need. For this thing I'm going to make it for less than one frame. Now once what we will do is add fade out. Go to animation and go to out and add fade out animation. Make sure that it's size too much. And for this clip I'll make sure to just make the size of white PNG lot less so it just comes in an instant. It will be like this. Now we can add the fade out to 0.1. Size of the fade out should be 0.1 on both the clips. And the clip itself should be 0.3. Try extending it. So it should be like this. Perfect. Next thing what we are going to add is some effects. Make sure that the effects are same. This is a flash effect. So we are going to add this 1 or 2 frame in forward of the white PNG and make sure to set the speed to 100. So it stays. Next go to like a white flash, add it a frame back to the flash and a frame in forward. So it should be like 2 frames long, 1 frame over here and the next frame overlapping over here. Set the size of it, or sorry, the speed of it to full. Next you will get this thing. Now get the PNG that we added on the top and simply adjust it to the little back. Make the animation 0.1 and it will be like this. So this one will come first, then the other one will come first. It should be like this. Adjust these things according to you. And now we're going to add the sound effect. For the sound effect go to audio and inside here go to sound effects and now type camera. Over here you will see a lot of camera effects, sound effects. Just use some of these one. So I use this one for the edit. Let's save it and add the effect. You can also adjust the animation size. Make sure that it's a little less than 0.2. So it's basically 0.1 but a little more less than 0.2. So it will be like this. If you follow the step real quickly, and edit the zoom in or out effects like I did, then you will get a great result like in the video that I added. For example, in this video. Do you see that? It's doing the same thing. So, okay, so you saw that with zooms it looked real good, and you can add it, and the sound effect makes it even 10 times more better. You can try it in any kind of zoom effect you want. In next video I'll teach you how to make this super good zoom effects. I have 3 to 4 times of zoom effects for this zoom in and out edit. I'll teach you guys later, but those are only for CapCut PC. As you saw that, that's how it's looking super better. You can add this advanced type of flash screen and stuff and make it so much better than others. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.